1. Axolotl. At first glance, it looks like a Pokemon. It has tiny legs, fluffy pink gills sticking out of its head, and a permanent smile. But here's the crazy part. Most salamanders grow up and leave the water. Not the axolotl. It stays young forever and never fully becomes an adult. Scientists call this neoteny. Even more amazing, if it loses an arm, a leg, its tail, or even part of its heart or brain, it can grow them back. That's exactly why scientists study axolotls, to learn about healing and regeneration. Pretty incredible, right? 2. Platypus. Meet the platypus. If you mixed a duck, a beaver, and an otter together, this is what you'd get. It has a duck's bill, a beaver's tail, otter-like feet. When scientists first saw one, they thought someone had stitched different animals together as a prank. But it gets even stranger. Male platypuses have venomous spikes on their back legs. Their venom isn't usually deadly to humans, but it causes extremely painful swelling. 3. Blobfish, the world's saddest fish. You've probably seen pictures of the blobfish. It looks like it's melting. People often call it the ugliest animal in the world. But here's something most people don't know. It only looks like that after it's brought to the surface, deep underwater, where the pressure is hundreds of times stronger than at sea level. The blobfish actually looks much more normal. Once it's pulled out of its deep-sea home, its body loses its shape. So maybe it's not ugly after all. It's just in the wrong place. 4. Shoebill, the dinosaur bird. Imagine walking through a swamp and suddenly seeing a bird that's taller than a child. That's the shoebill. Its giant beak looks exactly like a wooden shoe, and its stare, honestly, it's terrifying. Shoebills can stand completely still for long periods, waiting for fish to swim by. Then, they strike with incredible speed. Some people even say they look like living dinosaurs, and honestly, they're not wrong. 5. Star-nosed mole, the fastest nose on Earth. The star-nosed mole has 22 tiny pink tentacles around its nose. It might look weird, but those little arms are packed with thousands of touch sensors. This allows the mole to identify food in just milliseconds. In fact, it's one of the fastest eaters on Earth. It can touch something, figure out if it's food, and eat it. 6. Glass frog, the invisible frog. Its skin is so transparent that you can actually see its heart, stomach, and other organs. It's like nature made a living window. This amazing camouflage helps protect it from predators hiding in the trees. 7. Goblin shark, a real sea monster. This deep-sea shark has a long pointed nose and one terrifying trick. Its jaw can shoot forward in a split second to grab prey. These sharks live deep in the ocean, far away from swimmers. 8. Leafy sea dragon, the master of disguise. At first glance, you might think it's just floating seaweed. But look closer. It's actually a fish. The leafy sea dragon has leaf-like fins all over its body. These don't help it swim very well. Instead, they help it disappear among underwater plants. Predators swim right past without noticing it.